This is going to be a video tutorial on how to mute videos by default on the Reddit app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on the Reddit app. To mute videos by default on Reddit, you want to go down to the lower right hand corner, down to your little profile icon. You want to tap on that. Then in the upper right hand corner, you want to tap on the 3-line hamburger menu. Then you'll go down to where it says Settings and tap on Settings. Then you'll scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Advanced section. And in the Advanced section, right here, Mute Videos by Default. By default, that's probably toggled off, but you just toggle that on. That is how to mute videos by default on the Reddit app using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.